21 people say they have been scammed by Pomp Boys Motors.
Pretty clear pattern of abuse.
And now they're suing the local repair shop that 5 on Your Side has been investigating for months. Only on WRAL, Keely Arthur spoke to those customers about the problems at the shop.
In November, we told you how Pomp Boys was accused of exploiting its customers. And since 5 on Your Side's initial report, we've learned that 21 customers are suing the auto shop for $1.2 million in damages. This is while Pomp Boys is trying to move into a new community.
Doug Facchina's sign really says it all.
It's just been a nightmare.
Pomp Boys Motors has had Facchina's retirement dream car, his '67 Camaro, for more than a year, and he says they won't give it back.
They won't tell me what they've done.
Pomp Boys just opened a new location in South Hill, Virginia, and Facchina has been parking in front of it, hanging this sign to warn people about his experience and the criminal charges owner Vivian Pompliano faces.
Very frustrated. A 4 to 6 week job that she said that she promised has turned out to be almost a year.
Charles Eason has a similar problem with Pomp Boys. He believes they made up charges on the invoice for work on his '68 Chevrolet pickup, like a $3,700 labor charge with the description, quote, a lot of modification.
When we saw the invoice and saw all those changes and all those ads on all those jobs done that we didn't ask for, that's when I sought legal help.
And how they still working on calls.
The men are part of a group of 21 Pomp Boys Motors customers suing this shop.
Here, there's a pretty clear pattern of abuse.
Attorneys Jim White and Frank Jones filed a lawsuit. They say many of their clients, including Facchina and Eason, gave Pomp Boys down payments and have bills for tens of thousands of dollars for significant work. But they aren't being allowed so much as to test drive their cars before they're expected to pay.
I want to have a mechanic look it over because, you know, with all the lying, I don't trust them.
The suit paints a picture of a business that's done damage in the Roanoke Rapids community and is looking for a way out, saying Pomp Boys put their Roanoke Rapids dealership up for sale and is moving their assets across the state line to Virginia.
It's not something you can keep secret. It's not something that's the word is not going to get around that you can continue to take advantage of people.
Keely Arthur, 5 on Your Side.
Now, we called Pomp Boys for a comment on this lawsuit last week. They told us someone would call us back, but that has not happened.